Very good morning, all my students of class 8. First, I would like to congratulate you all in this pandemic situation that you have eagerness, you have efficiency to maintain for equality for everyone. Because in this situation, only online classes can preserve our efficiency because offline classes is not possible. So you all my students, at first I would like to suggest you all to appear regularly in online classes, properly visit through video classes, as well as need also for to aware regarding your health. And regarding the health, you must follow the guidelines or protocol of COVID-19 because nowadays already lots of persons are suffering from COVID-19 situation. If we thought already we passes through this pandemic situation, I have cure from this situation, then that will be my mistake. So at first, aware regarding the health, then on the classes. Both are compulsory because if I am healthy but I have not any quality, so what has importance? So both are compulsory. Be cure, be educated. Okay? Now come back on our academic platform. And today, through the video class, I would like to clarify you all regarding the topic cube and cube root. Cube and cube root. Cube and cube root. Here are two words. Here are two words. First one is cube and second one is cube root. Just we write 5 to the exponent 3 and just we write 5 to the exponent 1 by 3. So what are differences? This is called cube of 5. Cube of 5. And this is called cube root of cube root of 5. And that is the basically difference. So what will be definition for cube? When a number multiplied by itself 3 times, that number which we get is called cube of the initial number. So in cube root, before define cube root, one more definition for cube, that is when the exponent of a number or an integer is 3, that is cube, and when exponent of an integer is 1 by 3, that will be called cube. I hope will be clear for everyone. So now I erase this and write the definition. One more terms, that is perfect cube. So firstly, I will define cube. Cube when number multiply multiply by itself 3 times, or you can say thrice. That is called cube of that number. Okay. Next one, cube root. Second one is cube root. So what will be definition for cube root? Or its another example, another definition is when exponent of an integer is 3 is called cube of the given number, of that number. Second, cube root. Similar definition I can also define. Cube root when exponent of a number, when exponent of a number, when exponent of an integer is 1/3. This is cube root. It is known as cube root of that number. Just for example, 7 to the exponent 1/3, or in another way it can be also expressed 7 under cube. Both are similar, both are same. One more term is perfect cube. So already within the moment you must write down this part. The next part or next point is perfect cube. Our next term that I am ready to explain, that is our perfect cube. Perfect cube. PRFECT, perfect cube. A perfect cube, a perfect cube is a number a perfect cube is a number which is which is a cube of some natural number natural number. Just for example, 27 cube root 1 by 3 exponent 1 by 3. I mean this will be 3 to the exponent 3 all to the exponent 1 by 3, 3 to the exponent 3 multiply 1 by 3 equal to 3 to the exponent 1, I mean 3. This cube root of 27 can be also expressed as 27 cube root in this way. Will be same 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and so equal to 3. Okay. Next point, our next term as per our video class, that will be how can we recognize given number is either perfect cube or not. So recognition of perfect cube. How can we verify? Our next term is kindly do fast to do copy of this part. The next one, verification of perfect cube. Our next term is verification of perfect cube. I mean we have to justify either given number is perfect cube or not. So next point is justification of perfect. First one just like given in number 1728. Now we have justified either 1725 is a cube, perfect cube or not. So what I can do, we will take the help from the factorization. What is factorization? Means divide this number as the product of prime and must the product of all those prime numbers should be given as equal to 1728. So start to factorization. 1728 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 2 1 is 2, 0, 2 8 is 2 5 is 54, then by 2, so will be 27, then by 3 9 is 27, by 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 1, so this will be equal to 2 to the exponent 6, 3, 2 to the exponent 6 multiply 3 to the exponent 3. And now we have to justify regarding the cube root. So we have done the symbol of cube root, that will be equal to 1 by 3 also. I mean 2 to the exponent 6 multiply 1 by 3 multiply 3 to the exponent 3 into 1 by 3. Cancel. So this will be 2 to the exponent 2 multiply 3 to the exponent 1. So 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. I mean 1728 is a perfect cube. Hence 1728 is a perfect. Okay. Next one more examples I would like to give regarding this part. एक और एग्जाम्पल के सहारे इसे हम और भी क्लियरिफाई कर देते हैं. Until this moment you have do copy of this part. Now our next term or next point which we have or which I have discussed among you. Our next point is that is find the smallest number. If someone is not question is rising, if someone is not perfective, then what number we should be add or what numbers we should be divide so that become the perfect cube. क्वेश्चन राइज करना होता है बेटा कि अगर कोई परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है तो क्या उसे हम परफेक्ट क्यूब में मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीजन के सहारे हम परफेक्ट क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जी कन्वर्ट ए नॉन परफेक्ट नंबर to a perfect number. By multiplying with some other number. किसी दूसरे नंबर से इसको क्या मल्टीप्लाई करके हम इसे परफेक्ट क्यूब में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल 675 is not a perfect cube. 675 that is not a perfect cube. So how can I convert this 675 as a perfect cube number? So do the factorization of this part. 675 by 5 or 3 to the 6 3 to the 6 3 5 the 15 3 7 the 21 3 5 the 15 3 25 the 5 5 the 5 1. It can be expressed as 3 to the exponent 3 into 5 to the exponent 2. One thing I would like to clarify to you all, when you do the factorization and exponents are either multiple of 3, then that number will be perfect q, otherwise not. अगर नंबर का जो एक्सपोनेंट है बेटा, वो अगर नंबर का एक्सपोनेंट 3 के मल्टीपल के रूप में हो, जैसे 3 हो, 6 हो, 9 हो, तो वह परफेक्ट क्यू कहलाएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं कहलाएगा। 5 का एक्सपोनेंट 2 है, तो इसे 3 के मल्टीपल के रूप में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1 मोर की आवश्यकता है। सो द लिस्ट मल्टीपल नंबर विल बी लिस्ट LEAST मल्टीपल लिस्ट मल्टीपल नंबर should be required 5। क्लियर फॉर यू ऑल। इस प्रकार से बेटा हम किसी नॉन परफेक्ट नंबर को परफेक्ट नंबर में चेंज कर सकते हैं। और इन दिस क्लास, in this video class, most important points are discussed. So kindly you all are suggested to observe very carefully its every point and enjoy with your exercise. जब आप एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे तो लॉट्स ऑफ हेल्प यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वीडियो क्लास। So my suggestion for you all, observe these all parts carefully and be efficient person to solve your exercise. Thank you.